Hey, how's it everybody? Rick McCommie here at CrossFit 808. I just completed day 4 of the CrossFit Games semifinal. This workout was a doozy, but I got a PR off. Anyway, there was 2 rounds of 1,000-meter row, 50 thrusters at 45 pounds, 30 pull-ups, and then back to the roar. I'm probably kind of tired, I cannot talk. Anyway, and then did some thrusters again. So anyway, I think in 2015 I didn't get to the thrusters but I gotta take a look at the old past records. But anyway, it was a blessed day. Appreciate CrossFit 808 for hosting this semi-final and all the other competitors. Alright, see you guys later. And it's the 70 plus division. So I see where I stand next, what's that? On Monday. Everybody's scores are due, and they're going to release the leaderboard on Monday. All right, aloha.